boys and girls. Welcome to Fundations, Week 4, D3. We are going to be going over the letters C and O today. All right, let's get started. It's time for drill sounds. Let's start with large sound cards. T, top, t. B, bat, b. F, fun, f. M, man, m. N, nut, n. I, itch, I. U, C, cat, k. O, octopus, aw. Great job. Now let's do the standard sound cards. Let's do it this way though. We're going to do a little different than we normally do it. And let's start with the special letters, the vowels. Here we go. I, itch, I. O, octopus, aw. U, All right, now it's for the consonants. Here we go. B, bat, b. C, cat, k. F, fun, f. M, man, m. N, nut, n. T, top, t. All right, let's do the vowel extensions. We're going to be doing I, O, and U. Here we go. I, itch. I, itch. One more time. I, itch. Great. Let's do the letter O. O, octopus. O, octopus. O, octopus. Okay, now for the letter U. U, up. U, up. U, up. Great job. So we're going to play a little game, and for this game you need your lowercase letters that I learned back with all the letters we learned, and we're going to get out the alphabet cards C and O. So I'm going to leave C and O there. I'm going to take the letters out. Now there's these U, so let me move this over. C, U, B, bat, B. M, man, m. N, nut, n. Gotta make some room here. We learned so many. I, itch, I. F, fun. Oh my goodness, I don't think we're gonna fit them. Let's see if I can get this last one in. Squeeze them in. T, top, t. All right, here we go. So I'm gonna do a sound. I'll repeat the sound 2 times, and you point to the letter that makes that sound. Are you ready? B. B. Should be pointing to B. B. Bat. B. Okay. What letter makes the sound? U. U. Up. Point to F. F. Fun. T. T. What makes that sound? T. T. Top. T. is a sound. I, itch, I. C, cat, k. M, man, aw, Let her makes that sound. Point to it. O, octopus, aw. Last one. N, nut, Boys and girls, great job with this. What you can do is you can pick C, U, B, I, T, O, M, N, and F, and put it in your letters that I have learned bag. Good job. So what I would like you to do is I would like you to find things that begin with the k sounds, and I would like you to take a picture of it. If you can find things that begin with aw, go ahead and do that. Okay? Good luck. I can't wait to see your pictures of things that begin with C, C, cat, k, and O, octopus, aw. Great job.